Welcome back into the channel, guys. If you don't know who I am the GM Man. Obviously you stumbled across my YouTube channel. But before we start getting into this video, I want to just thank everybody for the new subscribers, keeping the channel growing. And I also want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So on this video, we're going to recap back to the 2021 year, my YouTube year. Just kind of do some bloopers and different stuff like that, recap on some of the truck progresses and stuff like that. So that being said, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's jump on into the video.
My fingers are numb.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little. Avoid the potholes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing is wicked.
That's pretty cool.
Is that the original paint then?
I think it is, yeah.
Yeah, because definitely got the patina going on, and I love it. Well, cool, guys. Like I said, I'm basically a fangirl right now. I've literally watched his YouTube channel for I don't even know how many years now, so.
Subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Because where are you at now? Almost 800,000?
Yeah, I think so.
So, yeah, so if you guys don't know who this guy is, I'll put a link down for his channel down in the description, so go check him out. Definitely got a lot of cool stuff. So, well, cool. Thanks for talking. If you guys haven't, go subscribe to him. Definitely some cool stuff. Got shirts for you guys. I got a YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah. What is it? Okay,
I got a sport body I'm building. So.
We do some surfing while we're driving, so we'll check it out.
Cool. Thank you guys.
Thanks, man. Have a good one.
You too. See you guys. Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what we've been doing. If that doesn't explain it right there, you guys can't tell exactly what's going on, well, then I don't know what to tell you. But no, we're doing a 6-inch rough country lift kit on this thing. Brought it over to Chad's, I believe it was last Thursday he started on it. Like I said, we ran into a couple issues, had to get new CV shafts, that lower control arm we got to put bushings in. Do what? Yep, sway bar end links we had to get. But other than that, pretty much got this side buckled up. Shocks on, just got to put the caliper and stuff back on. And over here, obviously, we got to put bushings in there.
Okay, so like I said, we kind of just recapped on the 2021, I'll call it my YouTube career or year there. I want to thank everybody for helping. I know my fiance and I have been looking at doing some t-shirt designs, new hat designs and stuff with the 2022 year coming up. We want to do a merch store and stuff like that. Not sure when we'll get that out, so be patient. But if that's something you guys would end up buying or be interested in, definitely tell me down in the comments. But thanks for watching the video. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know every time I upload. And remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the G.M. Man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.